आमच्या देशातल्यो जायत्यो कंपन्यो दुबय आणि सिंगापूर वचपाक लागल्या, कित्याक आमचे कडेन तांचे खातीर फावो ती सुवात ना म्हणून. गोंया कडेन आपली स्वताची अशी आंतरराष्ट्रीय वळख आसा, ताका लागून गोंयामदी आंतरराष्ट्रीय आर्थीक केंद्र जावपाची ताक आशिल्ल्याचो विश्वास सर्वोच्च न्यायालयाचे मुख्य सरन्यायाधीश डी.वाय. चंद्रचूड हांणी उक्तायलो.
We can possibly create Goa as the hub for international commercial arbitration. A large number of Indian companies are now moving to the Dubai Financial System Center or to the Singapore International Arbitration Center. Why is it that our own companies are moving outside India? Because we have not created good spaces for them. And I do believe that Goa, with its global image, everybody in the world knows about Goa. Goa, with its global image, can truly become a global financial center.
कोर्टाचे महत्वाचे निवाडे आणि आदेश सर्वसामान्य लोकांमेरेन पावपा खातीर ताचे प्रादेशिक भाषांमदी भाषांतर जावप सामके गरजेचे. सर्वोच्च न्यायालयान हे प्रक्रियेचो अवलंब केला, देखून गोंय खंडपीठानूय आपले महत्वाचे निवाडे आणि आदेश कोंकणींतल्यान भाषांतरीत करचे अशें तांचें म्हणणें.
Another crucial step for democratizing access to justice is ensuring that our judgments and orders are available in all regional languages. I am glad to inform you that the judgments of the Supreme Court are also being translated into Konkani. That process has to be expedited. And I am sure that the Chief Justice of the Bombay High Court will ensure that the judgments of the Bombay High Court are also translated into a language which the people of the state can understand.
अपमानकारक भाषेक खासा करून बायलां आड जी वायट उतरां वापरतात ताका आमचे न्याय वेवस्थेन कसलेच स्थान ना, देखून सगळ्यांनी समानतेचेर आणि सक्षमीकरणाचेर भर दिवचो अशेंय चंद्रचूड सांगतात.
I think the time has come when we must realize that all forms of derogatory language, particularly towards women, must have no place in our courts at all.
सर्वसमावेशक न्यायालय तयार करप हे फक्त पायाभूत सुविधांपुरते मर्यादित आसपाक जायना, जाल्यार सगळ्यां खातीर समान वातावरण तयार करून सगळ्यांचो आवाज आयकून घेवप हे महत्वाचे आशिल्ल्याचे तांचें म्हणणें. जिल्लो न्यायालय हो आपल्या न्याय वेवस्थेचो कणो जावन आसा अशेंय तांचें म्हणणें.
Creating inclusive courtrooms cannot be restricted to only infrastructure, but it also means creating an environment where all voices are heard and respected. Access to district courts is one of the first steps towards ensuring equitable access to justice. The importance of the efficient functioning of our district courts cannot be overstated. They serve as the first point of contact for most individuals seeking redressal. The district judiciary is the backbone of our institution, and it is here that the foundations of the law are laid and of justice are laid. By ensuring that district courts are accessible, we empower our citizens to engage meaningfully with the legal system, aiding in facilitating a more equitable society. But physical access is only one aspect.
गोंयांत न्यायिक सुविधा उबारपाचे दिश्टीन सरकारान महत्वाची पावलां उबारल्यात. मेरशेचे जिल्लो आणि सत्र न्यायालय हे गोंयच्या सुधारित न्यायिक सुविधांचे ताजे उदाहरण आशिल्ल्याचे मुख्यमंत्री डॉ. प्रमोद सावंत हांणी सांगले. ह्यान फुडेंय आमी अशे तरेच्यो सुविधा उबारतले अशें तांचें म्हणणें.
Goa is proud to have the judiciary that not only committed to delivering the justice but also steadfast in promoting fairness and equality for all. As we step into the new era of the judicial infrastructure with the inauguration of this complex, I am confident that it will contribute to the greater efficiency in our court and bolster the faith of the people of our legal system. It is our shared responsibility as a representative of the government and judiciary to ensure that the door of the justice remain open to all.
Bureau Report, Gomantak TV.